Hello student, welcome to my class Mathematical Hunter. Today we will discuss the polynomial part 6 and today's topic is factor theorem. Okay, what do you mean by factor? Factor is an exact divisor of a number. Okay, as per we have already discussed about the remainder theorem and this PA is known as your remainder. Okay, now come to the factor theorem. Factor: if x minus a is a linear polynomial is a factor of px, here the degree of px must be greater or equal to 1, then the remainder pa must be 0. अगर px का फैक्टर x माइनस ए होगा तो pa का वैल्यू 0 होगा. ओके, और उसको एक और तरीके से हम लोग बोल सकते हैं if pa is equal to 0 then x minus is a factor of px. Okay, but note here the degree of this polynomial must be greater or equal to 1 and here a must be a real number. Now let's take some theoretical example to elaborate this theorem. Here, as we know, as per the remainder theorem, px is equal to x minus a qx plus p. हम लोग रिमाइंडर निकाल रहे थे pa करके. ओके, x माइनस एक लीनियर पोलिनोमियल जो इसको डिवाइड करने वाला था और px एक ऐसा पोलिनोमियल है जिसका डिग्री मोर देन 1 और इक्वल टू 1 होना चाहिए. ओके, अगर ये 0 हो जाए, ये 0 हो जाए तो हम लोग इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? px इज इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस ए qx, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. जैसे कि मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. इफ 6 इज इक्वल टू 3 2 जा 6 0, so we can write 6 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 0. यहाँ पर रिमाइंडर 0 हो रहा है तो यहाँ पर ये 0 हो गया तो ये फैक्टर होंगे ऑब्वियसली. 3 and 2 आर फैक्टर. ऐसे ही इन दिस सेम वे ये x माइनस ए और ये qx ये px का फैक्टर होगा. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस whether x minus a is a factor of px. By applying this formula we have to calculate pa. In our calculation, if pa is equal to 0 then we conclude that x minus a, the linear polynomial, must be a factor of px. Okay, we'll check whether check whether x plus 1 is a factor of x square plus x plus 1. हम लोग चेक करेंगे x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 का फैक्टर है कि नहीं बोल के. Now look, हम लोग pa निकालेंगे. First of all we will calculate the pa. Here px is equal to this much, and in order to know a we just equate it. X is equal to minus 1. Now PA minus 1 square. Instead of x now I am putting this minus 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3. PA is equal to 3, not 0. That's why x plus a is not a factor of this one. X plus a is not a factor of this polynomial px. Now check another example, whether x minus a is a factor of x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, here px is equal to this much. Now a will be, so pa will be 1 2 1 2 minus 2. 0. Look, here PA is equal to 0, so it concludes that this polynomial, linear polynomial, is a factor of this polynomial, and here the degree of this polynomial, remember, the degree of this polynomial is greater or equal to 1, and in here this is 2, it is greater than 1. Okay, it must be greater or equal to 1. Now we'll do some another examples of NCR. Determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. Here first polynomial is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now this one is our linear polynomial, and we have to check whether it is a factor of these three polynomials. Okay, so we will calculate the a. X plus 1 is equal to 0, implies that x is equal to minus 1. So here a will be always minus 1. Okay, now PA will be, this is one your PX, this one is your PX. Now PA will be minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, this minus plus minus, and here odd number here, so minus 1, so cancel out हो जाता है. So this PA is equal to 0 here. So we can say this x plus a is a factor of the polynomial x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now look second example. Okay, here we will put PA is equal to, here minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 plus root 2 minus 1 plus root 2. Okay, so this minus 1 minus plus 1 minus 2 plus root 2 here plus root 2. Okay, minus 2 plus root 2 plus 2 plus root 2. So this will be 2 root 2. Okay, so here PA is equal to 2 root 2, hence this x plus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial. Now come to the third example. Now look, now I am putting the value PA here, minus 1 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 2 plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus 1 to the power 4 इवन नंबर है, 1 ये ऑड नंबर है, minus 1 plus minus, ये इवन और ये plus 1, this one minus 1 and this plus 1. Here 1 minus 1 cancel out, 1 minus 1 cancel out, and the remainder is 1. Here as there is a remainder, so we can say x plus 1 is not a factor of this one. Okay, this is all about your factor theorem, and this is the method through which we can calculate or we can check whether a polynomial is a factor of a given polynomial. Thank you.